Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. Today we're going to walk you through a 2026 Boston Whaler 405 Conquest. We'll start downstairs in the cabin first. Looking forward, you'll see the master stateroom with an island queen berth. Off to the port side, you've got your head, vacuum flush toilet, shower. To the starboard side down in the cabin, you're going to have your settee with your folding table. You're also going to have a television here, plenty of natural light, stereo remote control. Off to the port side there, you're going to see your galley, refrigerator, cooktop. You'll have an aft berth also underneath the helm deck area. And now we're going to go outside to the helm deck area and take a look around. Okay guys, here we are back on the 405 Conquest. We're at the helm area now with your 16-inch Simrad displays, easily labeled push button switches. You're going to have your digital throttle and shift with your joystick. You have a tilt steering wheel, air conditioner at the helm, large opening windows so you get plenty of air. You also have your VHF up top here, folding seats with bolsters, and another large 24-inch Simrad display here to port. Moving aft to port, you're going to see your dinette with your folding table up and down. You have another cooktop out here to your starboard side. Plenty of storage underneath with refrigeration. Moving aft in the cockpit, you're going to see two folding seats back here, in-floor fish boxes. You have a starboard side retractable seat along with your very large swim door to the port side. This boat is going to be powered with three 600-horse Mercury Verados. If you have any questions, you'd like to stop by and see it, please stop by MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.